Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa summit ng third sharpest peak in Hong Kong. Haijiang Peak or Kingfisher is a mountain located inside the Clearwater Bay Country Park. So yung hike is moderate. Some paths are steep and a bit challenging. Pero manageable naman siya. Ang maganda dito is hindi siya mahagdan unlike sa Castle Peak. So wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa how to get here. So sa Diamond MTR tayo, exit C2. At your left side, andun yung bus terminal. So hanapin mo lang yung bus 91 going to Clearwater Bay. Baba tayo guys sa Nang Phai Tin bus stop. Medyo mahaba-haba yung journey dito guys, around 40 minutes. So kung napuyat ka, pwede ka pang matulog. Charot. So ito na nga, pababa na tayo ng Phai Tin. So ang maganda dito guys sa Haijiang Peak, pagbaba mo ng bus ay makikita mo na yung starting point doon. Makikita mo doon yung hagdan to heaven. Charot. So, eto na guys, mag-start na tayo. So, from the starting point up to the summit, meron pong mga signage. So, don't worry, hindi po tayo mawawala dito sa trail. Napakadali lang po. Anyway guys, Haijiang Peak has an elevation of 344 meters or 1,129 feet and approximately 3 hours to complete the hike. Napakadali lang siya guys, so you must try it. So, kasama ko pala yung kapatid ko at saka si Insan, yung lagi mong kasama dito sa Hong Kong. So, share ko na lang din yung ibang parts ng trail. So, mainly, I think 30% of the trail is hagdan. So, the rest is patag. Tas yung iba lang may some parts lang na mabato. At saka uphill. Pero okay lang, we can manage. Along the trail, makikita mo na yung views na ganito. So, sa pauwi naman po, pwede kayong mag-back trail o kaya baba ka dito mismo sa summit. May babaan dyan. So, bale, ang end trail nun is yung bus stop na papuntang Diamond Hill MTR station. So, siguro nasa 20 minutes na lang yung pababa dyan. So, enjoy hiking guys. Thank you for watching.